Hi and welcome to the channel. Today it's all about the sockets here for the lights, because this is a weak spot on these old cars. So I'm gonna take the fenders off, I'm gonna see what lurks underneath, and yeah, let's get going. Okay guys, I'm gonna start by trying to remove all of those loose here. Bent. In tip-top condition. That was that. There it goes. Here. I need to loosen these bolts that sits in here on the bottom. Ugh. Holds the bumper in place as well. Screw right here. Nice. To get the bumper off, it should be. Comes there. Oh, nice and gentle. Good. Again, the hand on it so it doesn't hit the floor. And yeah. I hope that did it. It did. Nice. And there it went. Whoo! One piece of fender here. And this actually looks quite good. Okay, it definitely needs some love and some attention, and I will gonna paint it on the inside as well to protect it. But yeah. Let's see how much car is left here underneath. Okay guys, as you maybe can see here, there is not much left of my old Opel. I have been grinding now for a couple of hours, and yeah. So we need to rebuild this part. So right now for me it's actually to get some measuring tools, measure up the exact measurements for it, and cut out a plate. Here with the next part, which is this little guy right there. Again, we want to make a plate here so we can seal this area off. So there you actually have it. One full weld. Hasn't been cleaned up yet, but I'm gonna give it with the angle grinder. I'm gonna patch this hole up as well. So yeah, it's gonna be real nice, this one. I think I have, let me see, two of these goes in there, locked on each side, and then of course the plate that will fill on top of this. So for me right now, it's actually just two welded in. I hope you can see here what I've done. I made this little plate here with this arch line here and the bend here, and it goes in like this here in the bottom. So yeah. Okay guys, now it's time for me to show you what I've been doing here. I have plucked out all the last bits and pieces of metal, new. This down here is new as well. So, and that is new as well. So right now for me, it's actually just to mix some plastic, put the plastic in, seal all the gaps, so it won't take up sort of old dirt and yeah. And again, I'm not gonna apply it everywhere, just where there are joints. And I like to use my finger just like this and just pour this. Okay, I'm gonna sand this part right here and the part down with the door.